Labrīt! Es tikko palaidu mājaslapu. Labi, viņi bija aktīvi jau no pusnakts, jo es gribēju notestēt visu, bet es domāju, es neslēgšu ārā. Bet es tikko palaidu visos sociālajos tīklos, izņemot to TikTokā, ka mājaslapa ir gaisā. Un satraukums ir liels. Noteikti būs saucamais imposter syndrome. Es ceru, ka būs kāds pasūtījums, jo visu nedēļas nogali ir 15% atlaide. Lielāk gan es saviem rokdarbiem šobrīd nevaru atļauties, jo es cenas esmu salikusi tā, lai nav par dārgu, bet es arī kaut ko bišķi nopelnu. Tā kā jā, satraukums. Es tikko paķēru šoku. Mana mājaslapa ir Našķoties Zanis kanālā, kur viņi dalās ar visādiem behind the scenes un visādiem atradumiem, tā skaitā visādiem apģērbiem, visu kaut ko. Es pat nespēju noticēt. Pirmā diena. Ierodīja, ka man ir pleķis uz ekrāna, bet šobrīd vēl nevienu pasūtījumu. Es nevaru sagaidīt pirmo pasūtījumu, ja tas notiks pirmajā dienā, tad es būšu super priecīga, un tad šī būs tiešām lieliska pirmā veikala diena. Labrīt. Nereāls rīts. Vakardien saņēmu 3 pasūtījumus, 2 vienāds vakarā, tad, kad jau es sen liku Ančuku gulēt. Un vienkārši tik saviļņot, tik daudz foršu vārdu, komplimentu, klienti padalījās un izteica savas domas par ausainēm tīpaši. Vienkārši tik fantastiski, un Našķoties Zani ielika mani savā Našķoties kanālā, kur viņi dalās visādām behind the scenes un atradumiem. Ak, Dievs, tas ir... Man slēgās bailes bija vakar, kad neviens neko nepamanīs, ka tas pazudīs kaut kur vienkārši tāpatās, bet nē. Lielais solis spērts, lēnītēm forši viss notiekās.
Doing what you're doing. It doesn't feel bad when I'm doing it. It's good. It's great. And maybe once was scared to get in front of me, it was it.
I used to walk tall around here. I used to walk tall. He took out the least image. When Erica left me, that shaved off anymore. Shorter. Well, that humiliation makes you shorter, so yeah, I am scared of getting hurt. Because one more personal disaster right now will happen out at the news.
So, Valentine's Day. Personally, I mean, I think you can't go wrong with jewelry. If you want, I can recommend some local.
What is wrong with you? You just took a liver and a intestine from a little kid. A dead little kid. And you don't even care. You're talking about rainbows and relationships and stuff. What the hell is wrong with you?
You don't think that I know that these things are going to? You don't think I get that? I see them all.
Execution. Just like to die here. Wants to control it, wants to choose.
I'd love overboard buying bears for your nieces.
Mom, this is Major Owen Hunt.
Major, I was nurse for 25 years. Where were you stationed, Major Hunt?
In the thick of it in Iraq.
Welcome home. You must have stories.
Not any worth telling.
I finished your post-ops.
Thank you.
Hurry over.
What?
Nothing. You should be on it, Mama. He's your patient. Thank you, Dr. Brock. Go on me. There's a spot in the good deal. What the hell is that?
I don't feel so
He's critical to your name. We're taking out to the OR.
No.
Okay, start packing up your bags and get into the OR.
Signature.
Sign the form.
Eric, sign the form.
Yeah, I'm just coming up.
Claudia, is there a source? This can't be happening. This cannot be happening. Not at the school boards. Not happening. Not.
His organs are dead, Dr. Bailey. They're making him sicker. Keeping them in is doing him more harm than good.
Sir,
You will die if you leave them
We'll
here.
die if we take them out, sir. Maybe we could try a porta cable shot. I'll keep the situation down. Where it fits.
Anybody got any better ideas? Then I don't see what choice we have, Dr. Bailey.
Go shot later. Find new words.
24 hours.
Some more lights. I'm gonna put this piece of skull monster down the alley.
2 more hours forming the connections off. Circulation of the outward preserves the following of the skull.
Very good.
Thanks for always prepping.
Once we finally see our hands, okay?
Are we ever gonna find out why I cut it off? Trying to survive it. This is just break. Not like that. Yeah, you dying for no good reason? And my life isn't all the time. I just keep breaking. As soon as I fix one, another one goes down. Because I'm not trying to piss you off by being here. I'm just trying to keep it together, piece by piece.
Labrīt. Ir jau otrdiena, bet es gribēju uzfilmēt pašas beigas. Es teiktu, veikaliņa atvēršanās bija fantastiska priekš pirmajām 3 dienām nedēļas nogalē. Tagad jāstrādā pie sociālā tīkla materiāla, lai es varu arī popularizēt pārējās dienās savu veikaliņu. Protams, arī šobrīd ādu pēc pasūtījuma zeķītes, bet tieši pirms es iesāku vienas gaiši zilas, un tad jāskatās, kādas vēl cilvēkiem interesē, jo šobrīd ir izpirktas atkal lielāka izmēra nekā parasti. Parasti pērk līdz 6 mēneši, tagad ir līdz gadam un pēc gada izmēri. Līdz 6 mēnešu visi zeķītes ir pieejamas internetu veiklā, starp citu. Un jā, es esmu riktīgi priecīga. Fantastiski. Vakar izsūtīju pirmos pasūtījumus. Un šodien jau jāsāk strādāt pie vispārējā.